Spent 3 minutes with me to learn how to crochet this sweet ear hair clip. It's simple and beautiful, made using a 5.5 centimeters alligator clip. I've crocheted several with different colors, so if you like it, follow along and let's crochet together. Hold the yarn in your left hand and start with a chain stitch. Chain 4. Then go back to the first chain. Work HDC for puff. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. Chain 1 in the same stitch. Then work HDC for puff. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. This completes one group. Then chain 4. Turn and crochet the second group. Insert the hook into the space between the two puff stitches. Work HDC for puff. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. Chain 1, still in the same space. Then work HDC for puff. 2nd group. From here on, repeat the same crochet method used in the 2nd group until you reach your desired length. A total of 6 groups were crocheted here. Finally, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Then hide this yarn tail. On the wrong side, attach a snap clip. This is a 5.5 centimeter alligator clip. Secure it in place by themselves. With that, our little hair clip is done. Please give it a try and don't forget to post your work and tag me.